Hello there, everybody. So, I am about to take a shower at this campground. I just cut my hair, so I have hair everywhere. I'm about to try to get a quick shower in, and then we have a couple of runs that we have to make. And it's cold outside, so we're about to do a cold shower. Well, hopefully the shower isn't cold, but it might be cold after I get out, but we'll see. This one's a little bigger, so I switched. Hopefully the water gets hot, because I heard the water doesn't get hot. So it was cold, but it's like after a minute you get used to it. The wind is blowing it because, yeah. So I'm about to throw some deodorant and some spray, and I need to get some socks on my feet. My feet are cold. Yes, they are. So today, right now, I'm about to go to the storage. I have a couple of things that I want to put in storage. My mom said the last time she went to the storage that she couldn't get I think the latch open or something. So I gotta go see if I can figure that out. And then she said her truck was the battery was dead, so we have to go jump that. So about to do that. Oh my gosh, I bent down and that spray went on my eye. So yeah, and I'm hungry, so I might get food. Also later on, we're going out to eat for my friend's birthday. Gonna have a seafood boil. I haven't had one in a while, so that sounds amazing. And yeah, I'll shut up yapping and I'll see you in a second. Alright, so I ended up going to the grocery store and I grabbed some Starbucks. So I had my usual regular matcha. That is very, very much gone. And I stopped at Taco Bell to grab a little snack because it's 2 o'clock and I'm not going out to eat till 5 and I'm starving. So I'll just grab the little nacho and a taco. So that's what we're eating until later. All right, so I got this little nacho and then I redeemed a taco. Just got a little hard shell. I thought it was soft, but hard shell taco. So this is my little snack before I go eat. It's crazy. Hello everybody, it is the next day. I didn't really record after I went and got food, but I just woke up. As you can probably tell, I look like I just woke up. And it is super windy. Like let me see if you can see it. See rocking? So I want to go outside and see how it looks. And I'm gonna show y'all. Can't open the door. As y'all can see, it's super extra duper windy. Today I need to go to the grocery store, and then we're also going back to the storage later on. Right now it's like 9 o'clock. I woke up earlier, but I was tired, so it took me a little nap. And now I'm about to probably just chill for a little bit, and then we're gonna head over and get maybe some food, or just grab some food to cook and come back here and then go to the storage, but we'll see. All right, y'all, so we just had Habit burger. It was so good. We still need to do some grocery shopping, so we're gonna go to Aldi for the first time ever in Arizona. So we ended up coming to Wally World because I had to get some stuff from here. So I'm like, might as well just get groceries here too. So I need to get some moisturizer for my face because I am gone. I am all gone. Oh, I have this body, yeah, let me see what they got. All right, y'all, back in the van. It is so cold outside. I cannot wait to take those glasses off because my ears feel like they're hurting. I don't know if they're cold or if it's the glasses, just, I don't know. But we went to Walmart. We got a couple things. And I guess I can show y'all what I got real quick. I got some saltine crackers because we got some Panera soup. We got the baked potato and the broccoli cheddar. I got this little caddy for the sink to put my sponge in or my towel or whatever, hang it on the sink so that way it's just not sitting on top of the countertop. Got some Nutter Butter wafers. These are bomb if you like Nutter Butters. I grabbed a couple more hand sanitizers. These were $1 on sale. I got some face moisturizer. I ran out yesterday. And my mom got some coffee creamer. That, and then she got a salad. And then she got some soap. So that is our little Walmart haul. We actually have to go back to the store tomorrow. And I'm gonna get some stuff to cook. So I figured I'd get it tomorrow, because we have to go back out to the storage. So after I go to the storage, I'll go to the store, grab stuff, blah 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 blah. She got this little coffee cup too. It's like $1. It's actually pretty cheap at Walmart. So that's everything we got from there. And right now I'm about to just tidy up a little bit. I want to sweep the floor and probably just chill, watch TV or something. Oh, and then we also got paper towels, which I forgot about because I think I'm down to like one roll. So that concludes our little haul. All right, y'all, so it's a little later on. Right now we're about to eat some soup because it is cold. Right here we have some broccoli cheddar soup. And then I got some saltine crackers to go with it. So I'm about to take some of those. And I like to dip some of them, but then I like to crush some up and like crush it into the soup. I don't know, call me a weirdo if you want, but I think a lot of people do that, I don't know. But about to eat this. It's freezing, oh my gosh. It is the next day, and it is so windy outside. It's been windy for like 3 days in a row. I just got everything unhooked because we're about to leave. I'm gonna give you guys one little last view before I go. Let's take a look at the Windy City before we go. But yeah, it's time to go. It's really hard to sleep because it's just wind non-stop, 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 non-stop. I'm actually about to go to the dump station so I can dump my gray water, and then we're gonna hit the road, Jack. Actually a lot nicer out today than it was yesterday. Yesterday was cold. I think it was like 30 something degrees, 40 degrees. It was crazy. And then it was windy on top of cold. So that's wild. Hello there, everybody. I'm starting this vlog kind of late. Yes, it's dark. I've been doing so much stuff today. I haven't even had time to just sit and breathe and chill. But I'm at this gas station because I just picked up a package from the Amazon locker. Y'all know life on the road. Gotta go to Amazon locker, to Amazon locker, to Amazon locker. And I'm trying to figure out where I want to park for tonight. I was thinking about Cracker Barrel, but I don't know. Dang, he driving like a bat out of hell. I'm about to just look around and see what I can find. I kind of want to go to Bosa because I want a donut, even though I just got a pie from Popeyes. I want a donut for later in my pie right now. The only thing I don't like about like free camping is putting my Starlink out. I feel like if I put my Starlink out, somebody's gonna steal it or something. I can put it on the van or like on the roof of the cab or on top of the box, but I feel like that's like a little ghetto or something. I don't know, I'm weird. But anyway, I'm about to just look around, see what I can find for a spot, and then I'll come back up on here when I do find a spot. This is where we ended up. Good old Cracker Barrel. So I parked over here by this trash, and you can't really see it, but it's a bush next to me. I want to try my Starlink. Y'all can't even see me, but I'm about to put my window covers up. I'm gonna test this spot out. Who knows where we end up? Why, hello. So, oh my gosh, I gotta delete some. All right, so hold on, those lines gotta go. But I am here at Cracker Barrel. I'm gonna try I have a hotspot, so I'm gonna just pull out the hotspot and see what type of signal we're getting, because I'm not pulling Starlink out. I just don't feel like, probably not gonna put the Starlink out. I really want to get a Starlink Mini and mount it to the top. That way it's just already up there. But yeah, we'll see. I don't even know if I'm staying here for real. But so far it's all right. It's kind of a lot of road noise, but there's like 4 or 5 other van lifers here, so probably about to just get on my computer. I need to upload this video, so I'm gonna see how long it takes to upload. I still have my apple pie from Love That Chicken from Popeyes, so I'm gonna eat that too. And then I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Light us a good old candle. Because one, I feel like it might create a little bit of heat and it's cold. And 2, it smells good. Same when I've been like the winter, what is it? Winter apple candy. Very nice. Put that there. And probably about to sweep. I don't need to show y'all that because I'm sure y'all don't want to see me sweep, do y'all? Exactly. So I'm gonna sweep the floor, and then we'll move over to the what is that called? That is called a computer. Yeah. Hello everybody. It is the next night. I just got to my spot for the night. It's pitch black, or I will show y'all. But I'm in the middle of the desert. I'm about to do a quick little wash up, and then I'm going to make me some food. I bought rotisserie chicken, and I bought a salad kit. Let me get it so I can show y'all. So here's my rotisserie. Y'all know what that looks like. I also bought some Pop-Tarts for break fast because I need quick meals. So I got these cookie dough Pop-Tarts. I've never had them. It says it's back, like it's amazing, so it must be good. And then for the salad kit, I got this cheddar bacon poblano chopped salad kit. So hopefully this is good. I'm either gonna do a salad and just do the chicken on it with the dressing and stuff. I got this avocado ranch dressing I can use, or I'm gonna do a wrap and just put the chicken, the salad kit on the tortilla, throw some cheese, and boom, you have a wrap. I might do the wrap. I'll probably do the wrap, and then it's time to eat because I'm starving. All right, so we're all clean, and now it's time to get all full. All right, so we have a plate. Let me turn the lights up because we don't like those lines. So I'm just gonna take a tortilla. These are the ones that I have. Let me look at the date on these. Hold on. Okay, it says January 30th. We're good. Then I'm just gonna open this bag of chicken. I'm gonna pull it off because I'm lazy. Then I'll just break it onto here. This might be too much, but that's okay. I'm hungry. Honestly, I'm so hungry I can just eat it just like this, but I'm not. We're gonna get some dairy-free shredded cheddar. Cheddar shreds, as they call it. Like so. Alright, so what I do is just take everything out and pour it into the bag and then just mix it up like that. So we got sauce, bacon, croutons, and cheese. I really don't want to use this because it's dairy, and I try to stay away from dairy. Dairy broke me out for many years. I used to have really bad acne, and every time I was like say, let me stop eating dairy, see if that's what it is, my face will clear up. So I'm pretty sure that's exactly what it is. Also, I'm lactose intolerant. Gosh, what kind of plastic is this? Alright, fully cooked smoked bacon into the bag. Into the bag. Croutons. The sauce, which is what? I don't know what this. I hope it's not spicy. It's poblanos. Is that spicy? Hey Google. Is poblano spicy?
Poblanos are mild. They average 1,000 to 1,500 Scoville heat units, making them significantly milder than jalapenos.
Okay.
While they are generally approaching.
That's all I needed to hear. They're milder than jalapenos. Because I'm also an acid reflux sufferer. It's crazy because I like to eat. I like to eat. So why would they make me have acid reflux and lactose intolerance? That was rude. My creative sim did not create too well. But damn, see? I can't even open them. That's a sign. That is a sign to use my good old dairy-free cheese. I'll just pour some of this in here and see if I can. And then I just I just take it, twist it, something just splashed on me, and I just shake it up. This turned into a burrito or a gigantic taco. And if you thought we were done with toppings, we are not, because we have guacamole. Y'all like guacamole? Because when I was younger, I did not like guacamole. I did not like guacamole. Shake, shake, shake. Boom. There we have it. Salad on a tortilla. Let me see if I can somehow turn this into a chicken wrap. Not a chicken burrito. Well, I guess they're the same thing. They both get wrapped. So, little end, one little end. Take that end. And load that in. Then take this. Push. I don't know why I'm touching this, but yeah. Take this. I don't know how Chipotle does it. I just don't know. I can't do it, but well, first of all, this is not a burrito tortilla. This is a taco tortilla, so that would be why. All right, we're gonna do a little taste test. I'm also eating it with these chips, white cheddar nacho simply chips. They're like, they're Doritos, but they're like healthier. I don't know. Great. We're gonna take our wrap and kind of wrap it up. We're gonna taste it. Mm-hmm. That's good. Scrumptious. I should have put more dressing because I like my stuff like drenched. But this is pretty good. I've made it many times. I would give this like a probably like an 8.5 out of 10. So I'm about to eat, watch a little YouTube, and then It'll be time to hit the hay before you know it.